Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to explore this Lenovo Smart Clock. So today's video we are going to unboxing and show you how to set up this Lenovo Smart Clock. In upcoming videos I'm going to explore you about its full review, and I'm planning to compare this smart gadget with the Google Nest Mini, and actually few differences only between this Lenovo Smart Clock and then Google Nest Mini, since both are comes with the Google Assistant support under the Google Hub as the connectivity. Watch all the stuffs, so let's subscribe to our channel below, and now let's start this video guys. This is the product package of this Lenovo Smart Clock. As I already said, this is supported with the Google Assistant, and it's actually like a hub. So using this Lenovo Smart Clock you can make a OK Google support. With the OK Google support you can play music. So here is the supported platforms, like it support YouTube Music, Spotify, and it has a Google Chromecast support also. You can easily cast this with some other devices also, and it has a Philips Hue lighting supports, so you can easily able to manage the room lighting condition. So just say OK Google and to turn on or turn off the light, or to increase or decrease the lighting brightness. Now let's unbox this package. So after opening the box, so this is the main display. The main product is this is the Lenovo Smart Clock. We'll talk about this later on. And after that, here is a small box. It contains, and this is the power sourcing adapter, and actually this is not a portable device, so there is no batteries included in this. You need to be always put this in the power source. Turn on this device, this Lenovo Smart Clock will be always in the power source, so there is no batteries included in this. And as usual, similarly as like the Amazon Alexa and Google Nest Mini, like that. So after that you will get here Lenovo Smart Clock quick start guide and safety and warranty details booklet. So totally in the product package you will get the Lenovo Smart Clock main device, and then the power sourcing adapter, then the Lenovo Smart Clock quick start guide and the warranty details booklet, like that. So overall the product package is contain these three things only. Now let's explore this product. Guys, now this is the device. Now let's unwrap the cover and have the physical overview of this product. And actually this is very compact in size. Actually the display is based on a LCD panel, and it has around 4 inches of display, and it is a touchscreen display only. Then on the outerwards, so this is fully made of a fabric case, and so this is the bottom section having cushion like that to keep the smart clock at the stable in the table. And then at the top, so here is a plus and a minus button. So this is a volume up and volume down button, and here's the Lenovo branding. At the rear side portion, so here you will having a USB port, USB type A port. So using this you can able to charge other devices or gadgets as per your need. And this is the microphone mute button, so it has included with the microphone, so you can able to speak calls via this Lenovo Smart Clock. Also you can mute or unmute the microphone by using this button. Then this is the power source point, so here we need to put this cable in. So we need to connect this with the power source. After that we just need to install the Google Home application. So it is a similar application you are already used in for the Google Nest Mini. So similarly you just need to install and open the Google Home application. Using the Google Home you can able to control this Lenovo Smart Clock. Once you plugged into the power source, so just open the Google Home application, and there on the top right you will get the plus button. So just click on that and click the setup device, and after that click on the new device, then choose the home you need. So just click and go to the next, and once go to there you will automatically get the Lenovo Smart display will be found. So after that you just need to just tap on and follow all the procedure, and the setup is actually very simple. Once you are all done, your smart clock will be ready to show on. The setup processing time is around 10 to 15 minutes in overall. Now after setting up the device, so this is how the smart clock is actually looks. So in the main display, so just to swipe left, so here you can able to, it is actually like a widget. So this is the actual the clock will be shown, and then you can play music here. and then you can set alarm here. And this is the YouTube music. So your default YouTube music, if you are already having an account, means synced with this device simultaneously by swiping from the top. So here you can also set alarm, and timer option is there, and you can play the music. And here's the night light, you can on or off as per your wish. You can edit the settings of the night light display by customize. You can able to customize the different color option here. And then to go back, just swipe right from the top left corner, and you can increase or decrease the brightness. Then just click on the done, and that's it. Whenever you are going to that, means you can do like this. And then swiping from the bottom, so here is the brightness, you can increase or decrease the brightness. And here is a volume button, you can increase or decrease the volumes. And then this is the do not disturb mode, you can enable or disable. Then this is the settings option. So here is the clock face, so you'll get around 10 clock face. Also you can set your own clock face also. So, and at last you'll get this Google Photos. Just tap on that, and after that, so here is a option select album. Once you click on this, you'll get the photos you are uploaded in the Google Photos. So based on that, you can select as per your wish. Your photos will be displayed in the home screen. Also some other clock faces is also available. You can set anything as per your need. And in the home screen, you can able to manage this option, and this weather report and all the things can be done. And in case if you are already connected with some other lighting sources like that, means you can control that also using this Lenovo Smart Clock. Just say okay Google, and turn on the lights or turn off the lights, or increase the brightness or decrease the brightness. Also you can play your songs by just saying that okay Google, just play some of the chill songs.
Sure, check out this chilling music station on YouTube Music.
And actually you can increase or decrease the volume here also. And the button function is also too good, it is not too hard. You can easily press the button by simply. And the sound quality is actually awesome. So as you've seen there, the sound quality, so just see this, the audio quality vibrance is very good. It's actually very sharp and a very bold audio quality you will get. And similarly, the main speciality is that so whenever you are playing a music, means you will get the thumbnail picture of that music. So that is a good thing. And then in case if you are saying for the weather report, means hey Google, what is the weather today?
Today in Chennai, it'll be clear with clouds from time to time, with a forecast high of 86 and a low of 67. Currently it's 81 degrees and partly cloudy.
Sure, you'll get all the details in the display. So what is the actual weather report at now 5 p.m. and then 8 p.m. and then 11 p.m. Also you can make so this is based on a weather.com report, and actually this is a very good product to showcase in your bedroom. Well guys, soon I'll post a comparison between this Lenovo Smart Clock and then a Google Nest Mini. And there is a main difference is that in Google Nest Mini you will not get this type display, but in Lenovo Smart Clock you will get around 4 inches of a display. And this display comes under the LCD panel, and the touch refresh rate is also too good. You will easily swipe the panel easily, and the touch response rate also good. So instantly you can make all the things, switch to the next song, and all can be easily done using this touch display. Well guys, that's it for today's video. And how do you guys like this video? If you guys like this new Lenovo Smart Clock, and let me know in the comment section below and what are all the features you are liked in this Lenovo Smart Clock. Let me know in the comment section below. And if you guys like this video, hit the like button below. And if you guys like to watch my upcoming videos, means hit the subscribe button below along with the notification button with all option. That's all about this video guys, and thanks for watching this video guys.